Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Gupta and I'm here again to solve all your maths problems. So today's topic is map scale. So if you remember in my previous video, I discussed all the prerequisites for map scales. Today we are going to dive deep into map scale. Map scale is always represented in a ratio. So the first part corresponds to map and the second part corresponds to the actual length. So let me write it down. So on map, and this is actual. They have the same unit. That means 1 centimeter on map is 20 centimeter in real life. Now what if I give you this ratio and ask you to simplify it? So both the numbers are divisible by 5. So can I divide both sides by 5 and write down the answer what I get? So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is my simplest form of the scale. Which means 1 centimeter on map represents 4 centimeter or whatever unit you are talking about. So 1 centimeter on map gives you 4 centimeter in real life or in actual length. Now let's do a question and try to understand the concept. So understanding a question before actually trying to solve it is the key. So let's try and understand the question. So a distance of 3 centimeter on a map represents an actual distance of 1.5 kilometers. So can I just write it down this way, that 3 centimeters is represented as 1.5 kilometers in reality. To calculate the map scale, I need to put it in this form where units should be same, right? So that means 1 centimeter should be r centimeter, something like that, right? So we need to figure out what is that r. So we need to see that 1.5 kilometers is how many centimeters. So 1.5 kilometers into meters will be, we just need to times it by 1000 to get the result into meters, right? So can we do this multiplication? That gives me 1500. Now I have to change into centimeters. For that I need to times this by 100. Okay, so 1500 times 100, it becomes centimeters, right? So 1500, 2 more zeros. So these many centimeters. So I'm going to write it down this way. So 3 centimeters represents 150,000 centimeters, right? But I cannot put this. I need to simplify it to make this as 1 centimeter. I need to divide both sides by 3. So if I divide this by 3, so let's just write it down. So we are dividing both sides by 3. So I will end up 1 centimeters equals 15. So 3 goes into 15 5 times. These many centimeters. We have the units same, centimeter, centimeter. Now I am okay to write it this way. So 1 to 50,000. So this is my scale where r is 50,000. Let's see what part B asks us. If the distance between two schools on the map is 7 centimeter, find the actual distance between the two schools in kilometers. So the distance on the map is 7 centimeters. Now what I have to do is I have to use the scale. So I'm going to rewrite the scale. So can I just write it as 1 centimeters equals 50,000 centimeters? Because the question asks the answer in kilometers. So we can actually convert this into kilometers. Okay. So let's do step by step. So 50,000 centimeters. So if I divide this by 100, I'll get my answer into meters. So what's that? So I've got 500 meters. Now 500 meters into kilometers will be, you have to divide this by 1000. So that gives you 0.5 kilometers. So what we got? We got 1 centimeters equals 0.5 kilometers. Now what I had to find out ultimately 7 centimeters, right? And I have to find out what is the actual distance if on map it is 7 centimeters. So let's see. So 1 centimeter, I'm going to times both sides by 7. Okay, so I will times 1 by 7. That gives me 7 centimeters, which is equals to 7 times 0.5, which is 3.5 kilometers. So I have the answer here. So 7 centimeters on map gives you actual distance of 3.5 kilometers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.